discuss now is how to adjust your primary chain and change your primary fluid. What your primary does is it transfers power from your engine to your transmission to your rear wheel. And it's very important that you have your primary chain in adjustment. On this particular brand of motorcycle, Harley-Davidson Road King, your drain plug is right here under the primary. Takes a Torx 40. Turn it out. And just let it drain. You will see this is a magnetic plug. Sometimes there will be slight shavings on this plug because the chain does give off shavings as with wear. Don't be alarmed if there's some shavings on it. You'll want to discard this plug and get you a new plug. Now we have primary fluid. The primary fluid is draining out. If at this time, if you smell anything that smells burnt, very burnt, like a burnt, nasty, stinky, awful smell, odds are that you're having a problem with your stator. If you don't have any kind of nasty smell, if it just has an oil smell to it, you'll be just fine. Now what we'll do is we'll take off the primary chain inspection cover. Now, you want to check your chain for tightness. You just push it. The chain runs right behind here. And what you want to have is you want to check it at a cold setting, which is 5/8 to 7/8 of an inch, basically 3/4 of an inch. You want to set your ruler, take a small 6-inch rule, put it inside the primary up against the chain. You can use the bottom of the primary as a mark to gauge your width, and just push gently up on the ruler until it stops. This chain is actually perfect.